Good morning, everyone. I wanted to share with you a new listing we have in Mount Vernon. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Just to give you a little bird's eye view, this is bedroom number 1, bathroom number 1, bedroom number 2, bathroom number 2. This right here is a living space, and right here is the kitchen area. Let's go inside for a second. There's laundry in the unit, which can be found right here. This is the front entrance. So you come in, you got this big space, decorative fireplace, really cool exposed ventilation. This is bedroom number 1, really nice size with a nice closet. And this is the bathroom here. And going out, this is bedroom number 2. These are carpeted bedrooms. This is a closet for bedroom number 2, and bathroom here, its own tub, toilet, and vanity. This apartment is located right next to the monument. It's at 220 West Monument Street. I will include the link, and if you're interested, it's a great deal, only $12.50 for a 2-bedroom in Mount Vernon. Come check it out. And so here is the kitchen. Let's check the kitchen out. Yeah, bam, look at that. Dishwasher, microwave, stainless steel appliances. Living room's a bit on the smaller side, but with 2 separate bedrooms, it could be a really nice unit for a couple or 2 roommates or whatever else. So yeah, check this out, and it's available right now.